What's up, y'all? Today is finally the day I visit Brookhaven. And I know I haven't visited Brookhaven in a long time, but today is finally the day I told y'all I would do this. So, I'm doing it. I have rented this helicopter right here so I can get to Brookhaven. Just so I can get to Brookhaven, and I have to get another helicopter or airplane because they don't let us drive. That's just the Brookhaven rules. You can't fly airplanes from another place in that town. So let's get it. I'm flying out of I'm flying all the way. And I think Brookhaven is way down there. I want to get way up here right now. I want to get way up there. So I'm gonna go. And then we're finally doing it. Oh, I cannot see. These things even sound wrong. Yep. Brookhaven! Here we come. As you can see, I live way back over there where my camera is turned, and I found a Gia. Hold on. Let me land. I see no. Oh. Shoot. Wrong button. Anyway, I found a yacht. Wait, I found a yacht. No, hold on. I've officially landed in Brookhaven. My car don't want to move. I think my... Alright. So I'm officially in Brookhaven. It's been almost, I don't even know, 2 months since I've been in Brookhaven. There. Now he's all good. Oh, what has happened to Brookhaven? I'm gonna go to my house. The other rich house that I had, the authorities came and destroyed it. So I'm trying to remember where I had my house at. I have found my house. This is the house that I had bought. It's not the best house, but it's a house that I could stay in. And I had it nice in there. I think that's a good parking spot. And let's head inside. And I haven't been in here in 2 months. You know what? It's 6 o'clock, so why not me go to the diner and get some food? Finally arrived. The good old diner that was open for 24/7. Alright, I just told the waiter can I have 2 hot dogs, please? And he said, I'll catch back when I get the food. Ah, good old Brookhaven hot dogs. I'm gonna eat one myself. So good. I really love Brookhaven hot dogs, but it's getting late. It's 10 o'clock. I'm gonna finish my hot dog and head home. Just headed home. Just got home. Let me get to bed. Lock the door. Turn the lights off. Turn every light off. Not a scaredy cat, scared of the dark. Well, maybe I am. But good old bed. Well, guys, if you enjoyed me traveling back to Brookhaven for the first time in I don't know how long, make sure if you leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're new, and then you'll see me in the next one.